Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today we are doing a very exciting video and it has to do with Gemma over there. So let me introduce everyone to Gemma. She is my new baby. I named her Gemma after Gemma Chan, who I absolutely adore, and I think she is the epitome, the definition of grace, beauty, intelligence. She is literally what I want to be when I grow up. So I got a ton of questions from you guys about this bag. I had put up a little Q&A in my Instagram story and you guys sent in your questions, so today we will be answering those questions. So first off, what did I purchase? I purchased a Chanel medium double flap bag with black caviar leather and gold hardware. Was it new or pre-loved? It was completely brand new. Where did I get it? Did you purchase it online? So Chanel doesn't actually sell their goods online. Obviously, if you get anything vintage or pre-loved from them, you can go through a third-party store such as The Real Real or Vestiaire. There's also a bunch of other Instagram storefronts that I love, such as Luxe du Jour, which have amazing second-hand Chanel bags. I got my Chanel bag at the Chanel store that is connected to Haute Renfrew Ogilvy in Montreal downtown, and I purchased it with the help of an SA that I know who works there. How did I make the decision to get it? So my mom actually owns a jumbo size. I think they're either called large or jumbo depending where you're from, but this is the jumbo size because I know for the Chanel large size there's like another size that's slightly larger but not as big as this one. So since my mom already had a jumbo size Chanel, which is not to mix it up with the maxi size, which is freaking huge, she also has it in black caviar leather, but it's only a single strap and it's with silver hardware. I always knew that if I were to get myself a bag, it will always be with gold hardware, no matter what type of bag, what brand of bag I would be getting, because I just feel as though gold, as you can see, matches my skin tone a lot better. Also, because my mom has a bigger size Chanel bag, I wanted something smaller and I guess a little bit more cute size that I could take on for cute brunch dates, cute date nights, weddings, etc, etc. So yeah, that's why I chose the size that I chose. I also wanted the classic double flap that this bag has, because I do find that with the single flap things do can tend to fall out easier. Like, let's say I slip in a lipstick or a pair of sunnies without the sunny box. But the downside of this bag with the double flap is that you can fit less things into it despite the size, but because of the restriction with the double flap, you can't fit super tall things in there. I also knew about the price increase that was going to happen, or is already happening, or is already in place once this video is up. I believe that there was a 4% increase in price, so I decided to get my bag earlier than expected. Did I use any protective solution before taking her out? No, I didn't even think of that, but I know I should now that someone has asked me that question. If you guys have any recommendations for your Chanel bag, or honestly any leather goods, please let me know down below, because Montreal is a very snowy and wet place, So it'd be nice if I could keep this bag in tip-top condition. What do I plan on wearing it with? So I really like this bag because it looks super dainty and super cute. I plan on wearing it with my day-to-day outfit, so something like this, or even something super casual like a head-to-toe sweat tracksuit or matching tracksuit with a date night dress or a brunch outfit like I said before. What I love about this bag is that it's the perfect size to be super versatile. You can wear it for your day-to-day look, or you can wear it for special occasions. You can do both, the best of both worlds. This bag was quite the splurge, I'd have to say. So the question that was asked the most was how much was the bag. I actually have the receipt from Holt Renfrew right here. So in total, with tax and everything, and oh, I don't know where you guys are watching this from, but for Quebec, that's where I'm from, we have provincial and federal taxes. So we have 14.975 combined federal and provincial tax. So including the tax, it came out to $10,031.57. But without taxes, before taxes is what I'm trying to say, it was $8,725. So yes, it is quite a pricey bag. It is pretty much a well, I'm exaggerating a little because down payments for condos and apartments and houses are much bigger than that, but it could be, it's like a third of a down payment of a home or a condo in Montreal. How did I pay for it? Did I save up for it? Was it a splurge? All such good questions. So I indeed did save up for this bag. I knew that I wanted to get this bag for myself once I hit 100K followers on Instagram, but due to tragic and unforeseeable events that had happened at the beginning of this year, plus with the pandemic going on last year and continuing this year, I just thought that I might as well do it. I only have one life. I've worked super hard, not only with the full-time job that I have, you know, helping out with my parents with the management of Airbnbs for the past 3 years, and with the pandemic that hit, it did really affect them, and I had helped them with, you know, applying for loans and stuff like that, and really busting our asses to get more clients for them. I decided that even though I don't have 100K followers yet, though I am super close, I just wanted to give myself something of a high price point. I've had my eye on this bag for a very, very long time as well. I know I'm rambling. Save and don't spend beyond your budget. I also wanted to do a price comparison of the jumbo and my bag, so my mom's bag and this bag. I actually found the receipts of my mom's purchase at Holt Renfrew, but for some reason I wasn't able to find all the receipts. This is one of the original and 2 reimpressions, so that's like reprints, and I only see partial payment, which I'm going to assume she paid half and half at another date. So she paid $3,050 before tax for one payment. So I am going to go with the assumption that she split 2 payments and say that in, when was this purchased? 2009, the jumbo single flap gold hardware caviar was around $6,100, which is insane because I got a smaller bag Obviously it's double flap. I don't know if there's a difference in price whether you get a single or double flap, but I got a smaller size and it's $4,000 more than the bag that my mom had purchased in 2009. All to say is that a Chanel bag is an investment, but obviously I know that it is a luxury purchase, and that I am very lucky to still be able to live at home and to not have that many expenses. I also do think that being able to know how to save, or being able to save in general, does help a lot in being able to make these big type of purchases. I also don't have any debt. If you're from Montreal, or if you're from Quebec in general, you would know that university tuition is very, very low. It's insane how low it is compared to other provinces in Canada. I know in Toronto you have to pay around $10,000 a year. I'm not 100% sure, so don't quote me on that, but in Montreal, at least for when I was in nursing, I paid around $3,000 and something a year when I was at McGill, and it was around the same price point for when I was in Concordia for computer science. Another question was, how much does this bag fit? So it can fit quite a lot, obviously not as much as the jumbo. I'm gonna do a comparison video of how much each bag can fit. So this bag can fit this little Dior pouch that I keep with lipstick, my AirPods, lip balm, Purell, lip liner, matches and hair tie, a liner for girl troubles, tampons, eye drops, a mirror. So it can fit all that. It can also fit my card holder and a pair of sunnies. It's not a very malleable type of leather, and there's not that much space, and because of the second flap it is a little bit restricted. But there's another compartment here which I guess you could put papers or a receipt or like a valet ticket. There's also 2 pockets inside the bag, and another one for the clasp. Whereas in my jumbo, I can literally fit my Fujifilm, that Dior pouch, a pair of sunnies, the card holder, and there's even room for a hand cream. So just keep that in mind for when you do your purchase, or when you do decide to purchase a Chanel bag and you're deciding between 2 different types of size, but also the price point, because I'm sure this is not very wallet friendly now. The strap size, so the jumbo strap is a lot longer. This is what it looks like when I put 2 of the straps on my shoulder. This is what it looks like when I do a single strap. And a crossbody, there's still so much space, like it's so far down and you barely see the bag. When you do put it on one shoulder, it does hang quite low. I'm around 5'5.5", and the bag hits right below, like the top of the bag hits right below my butt. For the medium flap, since the straps are much shorter, it does hit like right under your armpit. Crossbody is, you can still do it, but it hangs quite high, like to your hip stomach area. I think it's still cute. I would definitely wear it like this most of the time. I have already in my Instagram post, but just be aware that if you do wear a chunky sweater or a large jacket, you might not be able to wear it crossbody, And this is what it's like. I think it's super cute, this length. So thank you so much for your patience on this video. I know that it was long overdue and that I have been teasing everyone about this video for quite some time now, but it does take a lot for me to film a video where I'm directly talking to you guys. In the past, I would do vlogs, or I would do styling videos, which doesn't really require that much talking. I also don't want to come across sounding entitled or come across sounding awkward, or I guess uneducated. I know I'm educated, but I guess dumb. Like, you can be super educated, you could be the most educated person in the world, but you can still come across unintelligent, which is not what I want to come across as. But thank you so much for your support and for your patience again. If there are any questions that I didn't answer, obviously my DMs are always open, or you can ask them below in the comment section, because I know if you have that question, I'm sure there are other people who are too shy or too lazy to ask that question. So it'd be nice for me to answer it and for everyone to be able to see it. Thank you so much again, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye!